Hey Chickees! So today I partnered up with CVS Pharmacy to show you all my workout morning routine plus my post-workout skincare routine. So basically what I do before and during my workout, and then also my skincare routine after the gym. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get started. So first things first, I'll wake up and put on my pug slippers when I get out of bed, and then I'll go and open up the blinds in my room just to get that natural light in the room to wake me up. And then usually I go into the kitchen and make myself a light breakfast, and I usually just like to have some plain yogurt with granola, and this fills me up pretty well without feeling too bloated right before I do a workout. Then I'll go into the bathroom and brush my teeth, which I didn't actually show because I feel like that's pretty self-explanatory, you know, after you eat, you brush your teeth in the morning, you know, the usual. Now I'm just going back into my room and I'm going to put my contact lens in, and then I'm just choosing out an outfit to wear to the gym, and I usually don't wear anything fancy since I sweat like a pig, so I just chose some shorts, a tank top, a sports bra of course, and my sneakers. So now I'm just putting on my tank top and tying my sneakers. Hair up and grabbing my phone and earbuds, and then I'm gonna grab my water bottle and head out the door. Now that I'm going to the gym, disclaimer, you're gonna see some booty cheeks. When I start doing my workouts, my shorts tend to ride up a bit, so my apologies that it's gonna get a little cheeky at points, but who really cares? Also, this is just what I prefer to do at the gym. I'm no professional trainer, workout person, or whatever this is, but this is just what I do and what I feel works for me, and as I perfect my whole workout craft more, then maybe you guys will get an updated video, but yeah. So I prefer to do a quick, vigorous workout for like 30 to 40 minutes instead of doing a long, taking it easy workout for like an hour. Plus, I don't even have a lot of time during the week with classes and my internship to spend a lot of time at the gym, so I'm working with what I have. So I usually start on the elliptical and I go pretty hard on that. I usually set it to the hardest resistance for like 15 to 20 minutes. After that, I move to the mats and I begin doing my mat workouts. I'll usually start by doing 40 squats, and you know, I gotta get those cheeks nice and firm. And I don't even have the biggest butt, you guys should know that, but a girl could dream, okay? So after I'm done doing squats, I usually do about 20 to 30 crunches, and then I do about 20 to 30 crossover crunches as well, and this really helps me work on my abs, and I really feel the burn during this one, guys. I can really feel it in my core. Then going back to legs, I'm just gonna do some leg lifts on each side, usually about 20 to 30 as well, and then I'll get on my hands and knees and do more leg lifts just the opposite way and do about 20 and 30 of these as well. Do these leg out thingies, and I don't even know what exactly these are called, but they really help to tighten your butt, and you really feel the burn during this one also on your thighs. It gets pretty intense, and I know it looks super easy because you're just lifting your leg, but oh my goodness, this one hurts. So once I'm done completing my workouts, I'll leave the gym and then head back to my dorm and continue with the rest of my post-workout routine. First, I'll shower because showering is essential. I will take a nice shower, wash off all the sweat, and then I'll get into my cozy robe and start my skincare routine. Because of my combination of being a teenager, working out, and being an oily skin type, my skincare is absolutely crucial to me. Workouts just gather a lot of really nasty dirt and sweat in my pores, and then my teenage years just have caused me to have the most unruly, oily skin that cannot be tamed until I discovered this stuff. This is the CVS Pharmacy Skin Plus Pharmacy Acne Therapy line, and this stuff is amazing when it comes to clearing breakouts, oil, dirt, literally anything. You could buy it at CVS, which CVS is literally all over the place, so it's extremely accessible. These skincare products are dermatologist tested and are clinically proven to treat all different skin conditions, whether it's oil, acne, literally anything. So say this product doesn't work for you, no problem. CVS has a 100% satisfaction beauty guarantee on beauty purchases, so if you're dissatisfied for any reason, you can return it opened or unopened with the receipt for a full price refund. So just there you saw me using the Advanced Acne Therapy Kit, and now I'm just using the little sponge with it and I'm washing my face with the cleanser. Then I just pat my skin dry and decided to use one of the Advanced Acne masks, and the one I decided to use today is the T-Zone Targeting Mask. These masks are so good and they actually feel very cooling on your face, so once you peel them off after, your skin just feels so refreshed. I basically just opened up the package and applied the face mask to my face and my chin since it's a 2-part mask, and then I'm just leaving that on for about 10 minutes, and during that time I just go and I make my bed and clean up my room. But now I'm already back and I'm just peeling the mask off, and then I'm massaging the extra serum into my skin to make sure everything is absorbed. And now for the rest of the kit, moisturizer of course is next, so I'm just taking a little bit of the moisturizer on my fingers and rubbing this all over my face, and this really helps to just clear the acne and keep my skin nice and plump and moisturized. Then I'm just using the spot treatment for my breakouts, and this stuff is awesome. I just dot a little bit of it onto my breakouts and massage it in, and voila. And that is it for my skincare routine using the Skin Plus Pharmacy Acne Therapy line. That is a name indeed. I truly do love this stuff though, guys. It's really awesome and it has helped my skin so much. So yeah, and now moving on. So now I just walked out of the bathroom and I'm just putting on some cozy clothes. So I just threw on a bralette, a tank top, and some sweats. And then it honestly depends what I'm doing for the day with what I decide to do next. But today was more of a gloomy day out, so I just decided to chill in my dorm on my bed and just do some psychology homework. And that is basically it. And after this, I kind of just go about my day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and stay subscribed to my channel and follow me on my social media if you're not already. My username is BeautyChickee on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. Make sure to go and follow me. If you guys want to check out my latest vlog, you could click on the screen, as well as click on the screen to subscribe to my main channel or my vlog channel. And that is about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video. So that being said, ciao ciao chickies. Mwah.